Hello guys, this has been a long time since I've made my last video, and this video in response to the people who have asked how to mirror their devices to the how to mirror their iOS devices, especially iPad and iPhone, to the computer without paying much. So actually the thing is not about paying the so you can get many apps online when it comes to iOS and mirroring apps. Everything is a pay, everything is a licensed software, but we have torrents where we can download these things. So before going to get starting, I'm going to tell you two different apps with which you can do this. So the first app I recommend is Reflector 2, and the second app I recommend is Mirroring 360, because both record in both mirrors your device into the computer screen with HD quality. So this is why I recommend you both. So the first thing you have to do is download Mirroring 360. So from this side you can download Mirroring 360, but the one disadvantage in this video you're going to find is that I didn't get any crack version of this Mirroring 360. But then in case you want you prefer Mirroring 360 over Reflector 2, you have to go through certain like browsings to get the crack version of Mirroring 360. So here you have a setup guide. The Mirror 360 is pretty easy to install, and doesn't take much time. Well, the so I'm going to show you how the Mirror 360 works. So here I'm going to open it. So once you have downloaded it, and setup is quite like quite, you do everything next, install and agree to the consent terms and conditions, and then install, and that's how it is. uh, so once you have installed, you can see once your iPad and your computer is connected to the same local network, your iPad starts getting mirrored to the screen, to your computer screen, and it's pretty good actually. So you can see this version is an HD version. This is one of the app, but then I still didn't find any crack version for this. And the second one I do recommend, second and the best one I recommend to you people, is the Reflector 2, which is a genuine version of mirroring software. So here you can find Reflector 2 from the torrents bay, for which the link I have already put in the description. So the thing is that you have to have a total VPN or any VPN which can hide your IP. So you can download this total VPN. You don't have to purchase this, because it gives you first three countries as a free in the free trial version, and that will pretty much do the work. And once you have downloaded it, you just have to go click on connect, and once it has connected, you can head back to your browser and click on the link in the description and go to this page. So once you are in this page, once you are here, let me see, it's taking time to connect, but no worries. Depending on your net connection, it might connect very soon. If it doesn't connect to Singapore, you can just change the country. You have many countries over here. You can select them from this list. So once you are here, make sure you type in Reflector 2 in this search option. Type in Reflector 2 and select applications specifically, or else you can, once you click in the description, most probably you will be directed to this site. And once you are here, click on get this torrent. You must have a torrent application like uTorrent or anything. So as you see, it got connected, and you can pretty much open this website. And once you are into the website, once you click on the get this torrent link, uh, the torrent will be downloaded. So once you are here, you can download from here, you see. So make sure once you got the torrent file, it doesn't start downloading. So to download and to seed the software, what you have to do is you just have to go to and turn this off once you get the file into your torrent list, because the total VPN connects to a different IP address, and the download and seeding process in uTorrent is to the it takes place only on your based on your MAC address. So you have to uh, turn off this VPN, and once you turn off, the reflector starts installing, starts downloading. So once you are there, if you double click on that reflector 2, you will be directed here directly. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on it. So before starting this, I forgot to tell you, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. Shouldn't provide any Wi-Fi to the installing process. Uh, so once you have turned off your Wi-Fi, accept the terms, click on install. Prompt it, click on yes, and wait for the setup to complete. So once the setup completes, and or if it is in the way of completion, you can find a reflector to icon over your desktop. Sometimes you may find it, sometimes you may not, but then you can find it here. However, typing in here will give you the icon. Okay, once you finished your setup, uh, once you this setup file, remember, is a 32-bit version. So you need not worry. Even if it is a 32-bit version, you have to download it in a 64-bit version to download to work. And once you turned off Wi-Fi, click on finish. So, you'll have a instruction manual over here. I don't have to explain you everything. uh, Type each, you can copy this. Remember, you have to type each word by separately into the license key. But then no problem, even if you copy and paste, you have to delete L in the last and retype it. So once it's open, click on I have a license key. These are pretty much the steps to show how you can do. So once it is pasted, press back on L and press again. Even if it is show right mark, you have to do this, because after that you will not be prompted. So once you are here, click on activate reflector 2. Thank you for purchasing. There you can go, guys. So it has been done. Now you can go, head back and turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Once you launch the app, you can see it here. Okay, since I'm already using another another mirroring 360, it isn't showing. But then I'll disconnect the mirroring 360 and show you. uh, I'll just have to go and quit this, turn this on. Apply connection. So here you can set up the resolution. See, it's better than mirroring 360 actually. You can yeah, based on your devices you can select this, or if you want the highest ever clarity you can select this, not a problem. Scaling default, show frame automatically, you can select whether to display full screen or not. Apply. The recording, you see the best option, one more, you can record while you are casting, you can record this. Next director, next student, advanced. You have summary over here. Okay, once you're over here, make sure you're connected. Press on OK. Let me see, it's not getting detected, but there must be a way.